Coinbase is about to have the largest IPO in United States history. Oh, y'all don't believe me? See, that's the good thing about me being a YouTuber. Let's talk about it and let's bring facts. In this video, I'm going to talk about Coinbase IPO. We're going to talk about should you buy it, the pros and cons, and last but not least, always, the game plan. If you're going to buy it, you need a game plan. Let's get into it.
Black rose, black rose. Black rose, black rose, black rose in the sky. Black rose, black rose. Black rose, black rose, black rose in the sky. Black rose, black rose. Black rose.
What's going on, beautiful people? I am Lando, success your favorite motivational teacher. Whenever you come to my channel, the plan is for you to leave learning something that you didn't know before you came here. So let's get right into it. For those of you who do not know what an IPO is, that is an initial public offering. So whenever a company decides they want to go public, they want to have you and me an option to be able to buy into the company and own a percentage of it. That's when they go public, and that's the craziness right now, what is going on with Coinbase. Coinbase valuation is over $100 billion. Yes, you heard that right. It's unheard of. It's something I never possibly seen before. So let's look at other companies and let's see where they kind of compare. So let's go to handy dandy Google. What is the largest IPO in UPS history? We'll click this. Alibaba. Let's open this thing on up, shall we? And it is saying, okay, 21 billion in 2014. This is showing the active as of January 2021. You got Visa with 17 billion. Then you got Facebook with 16 billion. We're talking about 100 billion. 5 times the biggest in history. That's how big this is, and that's why you should watch this video and know if you should invest in this company. For those of you who are new to the crypto world and don't know what Coinbase is a platform. They even have an app where you can buy cryptocurrency like Ethereum or Bitcoin directly from there, and they charge you a small fee. They are the largest one in the United States. Really, they're the largest one in the world. Think of them, they are the Spotify of music. Then you came out with Apple Music. Then you have Tidal, you have different platforms, but the biggest one is Spotify, and that is the same thing with Coinbase. So the next thing I want to do is talk money. Let's see what their financial report look like. Let's go ahead and open it up. In 2016, so don't worry about those numbers yet. In 2016, the revenue was 16 million, not bad. Then in 2017, it exploded with 900 million, and it went back down because Bitcoin went down all the way to 2020. That's a lot of money, and we're not going to get 2021 yet. This is the profits, because a lot of companies make money, but do you take profits? 300 million profit, then went from 55 to 30, all the way to 300. Their user base have grown 1 million, 2 million, 5 to 43, and it's actually up to over 56 million users. And you see their evaluation. Last year it's at 28. We're at 100 now. Now, this is the real stuff. This is, hold on, let me pause this. So now what I'm about to show y'all is the first quarter of 2021. So January, February, March, let's see how did y'all do this first quarter of 2021. These numbers are numbers I never seen before because the growth here is, let me show y'all. First thing you see is a 56 million users. Now they have over $223 billion in access, and now represent 11% of the crypto market. 11% of the crypto market. That don't sound like a lot because it's 11%. That means you have the game on lock. That is, it's like saying I control 11% of all the food that get distributed around the world. That is huge. That's kind of how that is. Let's continue on. Okay, their trading volume is over 335 billion. Their total revenue is approximate 1.8 billion. Time out. Time out. Sorry, I got to do this. In 2020, their revenue was over 1 billion. In 2020, in total, this first quarter is already over 1 billion. And they break down some more things. I think, all right, down here, you see their net income. This is in millions, $730 million. And you just see, you can look at all the interest expense and things like that. But this company is about to be huge. I've never seen anything like it. Should you buy? Yes. It's a no-brainer. Should you bought Amazon back when they started? Should you bought Facebook back when they started? So the question is yes, but you do have some pros and cons. My pros is, if you are not even investing into cryptocurrency, if you own a stock, whenever somebody buy a share or buy crypto or whatever it is, you're an owner of that platform. So you're getting a percentage, however you want to look at it, but you're owner of that. So that's dope. Even if you don't want to get into crypto and you don't want to understand it, you can just invest in Coinbase where people want to buy it at anyway. I've been on Coinbase for years and been buying crypto on there. So it's a smart thing like that. The second thing is their financial report is freaking unheard of. Yeah, they're showing the growth. I'll say another pro is they decided to release this IPO, literally the best timing I ever seen in history, because Bitcoin is at an all-time high. It's at $60,000 a coin. It's at a high. And now you're about to release an IPO when you have all the momentum, like not half the momentum, not a quarter of the momentum, all the momentum. So it's just a no-brainer at this point. Now, there are some cons. Coinbase have a direct correlation with Bitcoin. For those that have been in the industry, Bitcoin can go up and it can go down. So how would it work with the stock price where it's $60,000 a day, then it go down to $40,000 tomorrow? Did the stock price go from $300 down to $140? Like, nobody don't want that with a company that you're trying to hold with. And with it being a direct correlation, it could be a good thing, it could be a bad thing. The next thing is how Coinbase make their money. Right now, they make their money whenever you buy and sell Bitcoin, they charge you 1.5%. So they get a percentage every time you do that. So as Bitcoin go up and people are buying different cryptocurrency, they're making money, and that's why they're making crazy profits. Like, out of their billions of dollars they're making, they actually taking home money. A lot of companies know how to generate a lot of revenue, but they don't know how to take any profits. So they're very good at that. But when Bitcoin price go up to 100,000, 200,000, 300,000, that 1.5% is unheard of. They're going to be forced to drop that price down, and they're not going to be able to make necessarily as much money. So I would love to see their game plan on the future with Bitcoin. And the last thing is not necessarily a con, but their marketing. Well, how much money they make, they only allocate 4% towards their marketing. They're said in the future they're going to 3x it and go to like 14 to 15%, which would be great because you got all of this money. It's no reason why you shouldn't be spending big money on marketing, and you want the average person that don't know about crypto to be able to get in this industry. Whenever I do IPO evaluations, I like to give you guys a game plan, and this is my game plan. This is a 10-year game plan. 10 years, I know that seemed like a lot, but one of the GOATs in investing is Warren Buffett, and he say only companies he's investing in is companies that he believes that will be here 20 years from now. In my opinion, will Coinbase be here from now? 100%. So it's no point of having a quick, let me go ahead and make a few dollars today, a few $100s tomorrow and sell. Nope, we're doing this because we looked at, I can show you better than I can tell you. I don't even know what I'm talking. Let me show y'all something. All right, y'all see Amazon. Look at Amazon when the IPO happened. It was $1.73 in 97. It's over 3,400 right now. If you fast forward, actually we're gonna go to 2021. Where is it at? And we're just gonna go 10 years back. So think if you went to 2011, 10 years back, and you bought in $210. Every single month, you continue to buy in more. Look at that, 234. Then you buy in 197. Then you buy in again. And you're like, man, Lando, this is not working. I'm actually losing money. Keep on putting money in. No. Every month, I want you guys to continuously buy into Coinbase for 10 years. We're not grabbing no money out. We're going to buy in, and we're going to buy in. Look at this growth. Look at this growth. Because when you see 3,400 now with Amazon, it's overwhelming. It's too much money, and you don't really want to invest in it. But if you would have started when it originally IPO'd and you continuously invested money in it, now think of us owning 56 shares of Amazon. Then you could take some of that money out and put it into Coinbase. This is what we're doing with them. We're not planning to take any money out, no matter what the IPO is going to be. In my opinion, whatever they said the IPO price is going to be, they doubled it. They did it with Snow. They did it with Airbnb. They do it with all of them, right? So I'm assuming, I heard they said they're going to IPO around $150. So that means they're going to IPO at $300. And with a company that has the largest evaluation in history, they can IPO at any price they necessarily want to. And we're going to be stuck buying it. And that's another video, but I think they're going to probably have to do a stock split, because once you reach over $1,000, you still want the average person to be able to get it. So they're going to probably have to split their stock. But the game plan is to buy in, pick a date every single month. So it's the 1st. So say you get paid your big check on the 1st or the 15th, whatever it is. That day, pick it every single month and invest money into Coinbase. Whether it's $100, whether it's $1,000, whether it's $10,000, whatever it is, invest consistently in there. And let's revisit this in 10 years and see where you guys are at. Didn't want to do a video too long, but Coinbase is so amazing. This is something we have to talk about. It was a need. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I do have my Weibo link at the bottom where you're going to get free stocks for your first $100 investing with them. I have my Stash Invest. If you want crypto, we have Beatrix, and we have my Coinbase. So just look down in the link below and you'll be able to click all of that stuff to get some free money. Hope you guys enjoyed it. For the YouTube algorithm, make sure you leave a comment, like this video, share the video, do all the good stuff. Later.
Oh,